And now for another session of chatting with Prudence. Talk to May. And now for our celebrity guest, Hannah Montana. Come on out, Hannah.
Hi, I'm Hannah Montana.
You hear that? It's Hannah Montana. Hey, what song are you gonna be singing, Hannah?
I'm going to be singing Nobody's Perfect.
Okay, well, you can start whenever you want.
Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way.
Oh no, it's all wrong. It's all wrong.
Oh no, what am I supposed to do? Oh, I don't even call the police. Wait, what is the number? Oh yeah, it's 119. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Why is anybody picking up?
It's 911.
Oh yeah. Hello, there's an emergency. Bye.
Oh, better. Thanks for chatting with Prudence. See you next